I mentioned before how we essentially saved this Jeep from the scrapyard, and I did not change the motor. So this is the original 4-liter that is inside it. So before I take it out on its first trail ride, I'll do the obvious next step in the maintenance on this motor, which is to change the oil. But when I change the oil, I'm also going to service the oil system, and I'm going to use some of this. This is Hot Shot's secret Tick Fix Plus Protect. Now, what can happen in these motors over time is the oil can get hot and it basically turns to carbon. And in a lifter, what happens is inside a hydraulic lifter, there's a little piston that has to move up and down. When that oil burns off and becomes carbon, it can actually stop the piston from moving inside the lifter. And that leaves you a little bit of slop in your drivetrain. And that's where you get that ticking sound, that little valve like tick, 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 tick inside the engine. Tick Fix Plus Protect will eliminate that. So what this will do is it will replace 1 quart when we change the oil, and we'll pour in this bottle. This will essentially strip the carbon out of the lifter and eliminate that tick. It's a real common problem in modern LSs and Hemis. That's because the engines run a lot hotter, and then especially in even newer engines where they have that start-stop feature, the oil can then get contaminated a lot easier. So this prevents this in modern engines just as much as it's going to repair it in this old engine. And then at the same time, I'll add a bottle of the Gasoline Extreme. That will basically treat the entire fuel system. It'll get in that fuel rail. It'll basically add lubricity back into the injectors to make sure they're flowing well. It'll clean that fuel system out, get me back some of my power that may have been lost with the miles that get stacked on this engine. It's just 2 easy additives that you can add to the oil, add to the fuel to take care of your older engine.